If Figma is throwing an error code and you can't get into your files, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to troubleshoot it and get back to work fast. This is especially helpful if Figma is stuck loading, refusing to connect, or failing because of a network issue, firewall, VPN, or corrupted cache. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's start with the easiest fix first: switch networks. If you're on office Wi-Fi, school Wi-Fi, or a restricted network, try connecting to a mobile hotspot instead. This helps you quickly test whether your current connection is blocking Figma. If Figma works on hotspot, then the issue is likely your Wi-Fi, VPN, proxy, or firewall rather than Figma itself. Next, check port 443. Figma relies on secure SSL connections, and port 443 needs to be open for it to communicate properly. If you're on a managed network, ask your IT admin to make sure port 443 is not blocked. If it is blocked, Figma may fail to load, sign in, or sync correctly, so this step is a very important one. After that, disable any security apps that may be interfering. Temporarily turn off your VPN, corporate proxy, or any strict third-party antivirus firewall you have running. Sometimes these tools inspect or block app traffic, which can trigger Figma errors even when your internet is working fine. Once you disable them, try opening Figma again and see if the error disappears. Now test the web version. Open Figma in your browser instead of the desktop app, or if you're already using the browser, try the desktop app instead. This is a great way to isolate the problem. If Figma works in the browser but not the app, the issue is probably with the desktop installation or cache. If it fails in both places, that points more toward a network or security issue. If you're using the desktop app and the problem still hasn't gone away, the next step is to clear the desktop app cache. First, force quit Figma completely so it's not running in the background. On Windows, open the Run box or File Explorer and go to %8 pp data %+ Figma. Inside that folder, delete the local desktop and desktop profile cache folders. Don't worry, this does not delete your Figma files, it only removes temporary cached data that may be corrupted. Once the cache is cleared, reopen Figma and sign back in. In many cases, that alone fixes error codes, loading problems, and strange connection issues. If the app launches normally after that, you've likely solved the problem. So to recap, try a different network, check port 443, disable VPNs or security software, test the web version versus the desktop app, and finally clear the desktop cache if needed. These steps solve a lot of common Figma error code problems without needing a full reinstall. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing deeper Figma troubleshooting steps and how to fix specific error codes one by one.